In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Incognito mode. If you ever want to ask something sensitive or just keep a conversation out of your chat list, Incognito mode is a simple way to do that. It keeps the current session from being saved to your visible history, so it's great for quick, private brainstorming or one-off questions you don't need to revisit later. It's not the same as full anonymity or a VPN, but it does help keep your chat from appearing in your conversation list. First, open Claude in your browser. Look to the upper right corner of the page for the incognito icon, which looks a bit like a Pac-Man shape. Click that icon to turn incognito mode on. You should see a clear visual indicator that it's active. This might be a highlighted icon or a small banner letting you know you're in a private session. If you don't see an indicator, click the icon again to make sure it's enabled before you continue. Remember, you can toggle this off the same way when you're done. With incognito mode on, move to the main message box and write your prompt. Be specific about what you want. Include the goal, any necessary context, and what format you'd like the answer in. For example, you could ask for a concise summary, step-by-step guidance, or a short list of pros and cons. A clear prompt helps Claude give you a focused, useful response. Even in incognito mode, avoid pasting private or sensitive information. It's best practice to redact anything personal and describe what you're working with instead of sharing details that don't need to be in the prompt. Once your prompt looks good, click the Submit button to send it. You'll see Claude start generating a response. If the reply isn't quite what you had in mind, refine your request right in the same incognito session. You can ask follow-up questions, narrow the scope, or provide a quick example to steer the output. The mode will remain active as you iterate, so your adjustments stay within this private session. When you're finished, simply stop chatting or toggle incognito mode off using the same icon in the upper right. Because you used incognito mode, this conversation won't appear in your chat list for later. If you do need to keep something for future reference, copy your results before you leave, since private sessions aren't meant for long-term storage. And that's it. Turn on the icon, write a clear prompt, and submit. With these steps, you can quickly get private, focused answers whenever you need them.